Hey guys, my name is Aftab. Today we will learn how to customize email template transaction in Magento 2. Guys, this is a very most important aspect in Magento 2 email format because we need promotion emails, sales email, and from referral emails. So a lot of type emails we need all type of emails. So guys, as per your color theme, as per your product behavior, we need modify your emails, right? So we need customization. So we are going to marketing. Inside the marketing, click on email templates, right? And click on add new. So guys, here is all of emails, right? Payment field, contact us form, email, change, email forget password, account, new account, remind, password, reset, currency update, header footer. You can also add a header footer, subscribe email, tone, warning, price alert, stock, credit memo, invoice, new create, order, usual. Yeah, sorry. This is all of shipment, send product link, friend, generate sitemap, right? Forget admin password, user notification, this is right. So this is all of have here. So choose anyone. Suppose we are editing contact us form, right? So load this, and here is add contact us, right? And save, right? And see preview. This email, phone, template, right? And click on contact us, right? And we need some here, right? Inside the para, click on we close, click here. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for contacting us. We will touch with you very soon. Very soon, right? This is just notification, right? See from here, and guys, here is this position is not correct. So click on again here, and this is correct, right? And after adding this, right? And click on here. No, this is preview. Click on here. So guys, this is from here, right? Or set via CSS you can add, right? And click on from many things from inside this, and you can also from not here, right? But from here and save, click on preview, nothing from here, right? And go to header and footer because here is common header footer, load footer, click on footer, save footer, right? Footer, and see preview here footer, this is footer, and click on here, you can edit from here, right? Not applicable here from, you can from preview here. You got email from Magento side, so this is upper section and this is lower section, right? And one more thing for header, right? This is, now this is perfect combination email, right? Because header, footer, and mid content. This is header, right? Correct. So you got from header, footer, and content, right? Or if you need only this, so you can add it from here, right? No need from header and footer. Click on header. This is delete, right? This is not permanently from here. Your store from in Magento stored right now also. This is delete, and you see from here header. This is now is also available. Click on photo. Yes, this is also available, right? So guys, as per your requirement, you can modify email templates, right? And this is all email available from here, all emails type available here. You can modify as per your requirements. Okay, if you have any problem about configure email or email setup or template setup, please comments me or mail me. My mail ID is aftabkagent20 at gmail.com. Right? I definitely revert as soon as possible. Please comments me if you have any problem. And please don't forget for subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.